The Duckling Gets a Cookie by Mo Willems. It's another pigeon book. And this time we have a duckling. We had him in the hot dog one too. The duckling gets a cookie. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go. I do not like the look of that title. The duckling gets a cookie. Hello, Scooty Scoot Scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. Flappy flip flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. Right now I'm asking why? Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug. I ask to stay up late. Or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I asked for? Goodness. No! He's throwing his fit again. It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. Wait a minute. Hubba, what? You're giving that cookie to me? Or, I'm sorry, you're giving me that cookie with nuts. That's so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, that was nice of him to give the cookie to the pigeon. Wow. Chomp. This is one cool duckling, Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. He did. The reason why he gave the pigeon the cookie is because he doesn't like cookies with nuts in them. So he asked politely for one with no nuts. I think that the pigeon needs to start learning to talk nicer, because when you speak politely and you ask nicely, you tend to get what you want more than if you're rude and yelling and screaming and all that stuff. Although it did kind of work out for him in this story. Okay, so have you ever wanted anything really badly and you just could not get it, but somebody else got it? You didn't get it. That might have happened before. This story is, of course, make-believe, because the characters in it really can't talk and all that. the two main characters are the pigeon and the duckling. All right, and the setting, in his books isn't really much of a setting. You can't really tell where they are. A lot, like I'll show you. It's mostly just blank. It's not really telling you where they're at in there. So there's not really much of a setting in these types of stories. Okay.